Friends, how are you people doing? Today we are going to listen to a story from the Dhammapada of the Tipitaka, and this is with regard to sister Rohini of Thera Aniruddha, and the Buddha was at Nigrodharama monastery when he said the Pali verse. So happened that Thera Aniruddha had gone to Kapilavattu and he was staying at the monastery, and all the members of his family came to visit him there. And he asked for his sister Rohini, but she had not come to meet him. Then she came and she bent her head in shame because she was suffering from leprosy. So he felt pity for her and he told her that you have some jewelry, you have some clothing, just sell it off and build a kind of a refractory for monks with that money, and I will ask other people also to help you with the same, and you give a lot of service while the monastery is being done, while the refractory is being done. Accordingly, Sister Rohini started collecting the funds. She sold some jewelry, and within no time the refractory was ready. She used to do the cleaning there, she used to do a lot of work there, and the Buddha and his entire entourage was invited. All the monks were invited for alms food there at her refractory. And when the Buddha asked who has done this monastery, who has constructed, so he came to know that the sister of Thera Aniruddha was responsible for the refractory being constructed. So he called for her. She wouldn't come, but then she came with her head hung in shame again. So then Buddha had a talk with her, he had a Dhamma discourse with her, and he asked her, do you know why you have contracted leprosy? So she said no. So he told her that in your earlier birth, you were the chief queen of the king of Benares, and he had an infatuation, or he had a crush on his dancer. So she was very jealous. The queen of Benares was very jealous of this dancer, and she had her attendants get some itching powder and she put it in the room of this dancer. She spread it over the bed and everywhere, and this dancer came there to the room, and before that only the attendants threw this itching powder onto her, and she started grieving in agony because she was itching all over. She went to her room, and there the agony was more in that. Because of this kind of agony caused to somebody else in this birth, Rohini contracted leprosy. Then the Buddha said in Pali the following verses: Kodam jahe vipajaheya manam संयोजनम सब्बमातिका मेय तम नाम रूप अस्मिन् सज्जानामम अकिंचानम ननुपतन्ति दुःखा, which means give up anger, abandon conceit, overcome all the fetters. The ills of life, that is dukkha, do not befall one who does not cling to mind and body and is free from moral defilements. So after the end of this discourse and the Pali verse, Sister Rohini was already become a Sotapatti, and she attained Sotapatti. At the same time, her skin disease disappeared, her complexion became fair, smooth and very attractive. So when we look at this story, we understand that we have a lot of dukkha only because of all these ill feelings and all the negative emotions that we have within. If we abandon that, then we are on the path. May all beings be happy.